nylon borg warner shifter nut and replace it with a nice aluminium one. First of all, we have to remove this E-clip, remove the spring, remove the little washer that holds the spring on top of the old nylon one, then remove the nylon gear shift nut. The problem is the threads mainly strip out, so when you change gears they pop out, so we're going to replace it with an aluminium one to avoid this. With the nylon bush still intact, we grab our aluminium gear shift nut to suit the borg warner and we slide it back over the top. Put the spring cap washer back over the top. Add the spring, and then we reinsert the E-clip. Now we have the aluminium borg warner shifter nut installed back in the gearbox, holding the gear stick where it needs to be and ready for use.